Hello, hi everybody, good morning. Today I wanted to introduce you to a special fern that we find up here in the mountains, which is actually edible. It's basically called as fiddlehead fern, and it falls under the family of ostrich ferns, which are edible. We should also be careful enough to pick our ferns and know the ferns which are edible and non-edible. Some of them are poisonous. So today we'll go and find some fiddlehead ferns up in the mountains. Basically, these fiddlehead ferns are found around altitudes between 2000 meters to 2500 meters and above somewhere. So today, along with a friend of mine who's here, we are gonna hike up into the mountain now. So we'll see how far we go and where we'll find our first ferns. So we have been hiking for a while now and moved around the mountains. We moved around the mountains at altitudes between 1800. We didn't go up higher, but our best guess was to find some ferns along the river stream. And also we met a local shepherd who was directing us to walk towards that direction and mentioned that we would probably find some ferns here only. So from there on, we took a path down towards the valley, and along the river stream as we walked, we found a small spring puddle where we found some ferns. But these ferns are already grown out now, which are not edible at this stage. So far, we found some ferns like this, the one that you see right here, and these are already grown out, which are not edible, like I said. But then we are still looking for some other pockets of the river stream where we could probably find the young ferns which are edible. And we are now heading down from the mountain and hoping that along the river stream we could probably still find some pockets where these ferns grow. We'll see how it goes from here. So we had just descended down from the mountain. As we were walking down, like we planned, we were walking along the river stream, but sadly we couldn't really find any of these edible ferns. So hopefully maybe we'll take another chance next time and try to find these ferns and probably show you through the another video. Thank you.
Thank you.